cut ginger, cut tomatoes. Good morning. It's time to make our bacon. Don't worry about the grease. This is the flavor. Alright? I used to make a cheeseburger in this oil, so this is nice and greasy, flavored oil with clove spices. Alright? It gives out a lot of flavor. Now put 3 eggs in. 1, 2, 1 more egg. Frying up with ginger. So delicious. Spice it up with the clove spice. Cover with lid. Let it cook itself. Salt tomatoes. Oh, look at that. Looks so beautiful. Serve it. Serve it on top of the tomatoes. Eggs sometimes are disobedient, but I got it. Look at that. Serve everything on top. Beautiful, steamy, tasty and delicious breakfast. Let's try it. So yummy. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.